Hello, this is Wednesday. Welcome to a new video. Apparently, if you buy a Google Pixel 2, you get a free Chromecast and HomePod with it. So, if everyone has a HomePod, I've seen her opening it. I doubt we can use it. My opinion, those are just the NSA children, but then again, these things probably are the NSA children as well. Okay, get out. You're not in this video. Well, yeah, so we got these phones to link, so my iPhone 8 right there. I got the Google Pixel 2. And we got a package from Verizon with the Chromecast and HomePod, which I was not expecting whatsoever. So it's Chris told me to go ahead and take the Streamcast, and I will. Stream on. Make your TV smarter. That's funny. So we loaded your HDMI port, cut the Wi-Fi, start streaming, making nothing new to learn. With Chromecast, our phone is a simple, powerful remote, so it's easy to search, queue, and control from anywhere in the home. Online entertainment, access more than 200,000 TV shows and movies, 35 million songs throughout the Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Hulu, HBO Go, Watch ESPN, Google Play, and more. Well, as every unboxer has ever said, let's start digging. Alright, so as long as we'll just cut the top open. So I'm going to go ahead and get my big ass head out of the way and knock out the plastic. So I'm not going to set it right away. I do have a video that I need to work on. Most of the TechSavvvvy. So when I do an unboxing and I don't work inside of it, I get to be the one to unbox it on video. Most of you guys want to do it on video. For you guys, for the little video done for it. Plastic removed. I don't want to just pop the box one. Sound, oh shit, got it. Pull the plastic through or what? It's budging. The handle's like in the way. Oh. Boy, there we go. Yeah, I do like the black finish on it. And there is the Chromecast. I heard these have like an audio only output, but I'm not sure of that. Pop it through. We have USB-C in, power, this little cover here. Not sure what it does. So we do the ratings. So my Google is 1500 amp. Quick Mountain View in California. This is the model NC2 685 CCID blah blah blah. Okay. Here's the device itself. One will be HDMI cable on the end. I do a long USB-C cable. And getting started. Power the TV, switch input, setup from your phone. Yeah, lame. Then the lame ass legal work that always comes with everything. That Apple or Microsoft or Google or whatever. Yeah, whatever. So, yeah, we'll set this thing up later. Watch the thing, if I don't, so we'll get it later. No, whatever. But this thing opens, doesn't it? Nothing under. Nothing under there. Like, I don't know why that opens them. Weird. Alrighty then. They went to the HomePod set as well, I'm not sure yet, but I don't know how to unbox those though. So unboxing is already out of the question. But yeah. It's pretty cool what the Verizon do. Did not expect this at all. I don't know if Google's doing that and Verizon's, but oh well, still. Pretty Chromecast, eh? I want one of those to try out, it's never got to buy one. This is a much welcome surprise. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. And get on my day. Go to the HTTP thing. Fuck. Alright. I turned the HTTP on and it worked, so shit. I think I can get the camera angle, but I can't get to the capture card. It probably won't let me record now. What? Why can't I? Shit. Alright. No, fuck. I can't record it. Damn it. Oh, it's cheating me for then. Fuck you, everybody. Alright, I'll just use fraps and just record it that way. Sounds like it's recording, right? There we go. Okay, fuck it. That'll work. Alright. So I'm going to do a Chromecast app on my phone. Get open there instead. So let's see here. App Store. Alright. Cast. Yes. What's that? Damn view. Damn it. Oh. Wait, the screen recording, the capture is not getting audio though, shit. Take the audio off the camera then. Oh well, I took for us to do it, fuck it. I'm not gonna bother anymore. Oh, I took the TV because of the capture. Oh well, fuck it. We'll just go that way, yes. Alright, the app is done downloading. I'm gonna go ahead and use Apple's built-in recording feature. Record my screen. And we're off. Alright, cool. Here's the Chromecast. Set new device. Ah, bastard. Alright. Here's this stupid app to install. God, come on. We have two phones, like to be on another app on another phone. Why wait? Come on. I had no patience at all. Alright, let's try this Google Home app. I don't know. Okay. Get started. Yep. Alright, just do that. And yes. Next. Okay. I've on the Chromecast, just waiting for it to talk to it. I think, I don't know. Anyhow. Giving me a code to enter in a minute. I know that. Yes, it's the right code. Alright, cool. So yes, we'll be waiting. Right, closing on her bedroom. I do custom, but fuck it. TechSavvvvy is. before. Evil. This is bad, hold on. Why not? Ah, fucking damn it. That is evil. There. There we go. Why not? I gotta do this. That was the password for it. Yep. Why not? I'm trying to name goes, why not? Yeah, it's connected to the network. You think? No. Okay, it's going pretty fast. Yeah, I see the same picture on two different places. On one on my TV, on my computer, the other on the camera. Well, the camera looks like shit though, because of the angle. But I like people to die shit. God damn it. Yeah, but I probably make it. I risk it. No, we're going to. Fuck it, we'll risk it. Ah. Man. Felt like I'm working on this. I need the picture to come out. Yeah, I better put that computer in. I didn't know I was died at the last minute. I didn't know it's in the screen. Okay. Back into the signal. I'm putting the car by accident. Alright. Okay. Trevor. Alright, there we go. There's it. Okay. So, it was. I had to reset stuff again. Chromecast. And our central just died. Rip. You're a piece of shit, you know that? Fuck it, we'll use the camera, I guess. Alright, let's try it, shall we? I'm going to phone here. Should we go on my other phone? Oh wait, shoot. Alright, see what. Fuck. Let's just do something else. I can't play for you guys. Say the real one, you bastard. Play the show, why not? And the SOS version of YouTube. That's the general mobile version. Oh, the good old William bar. And the volume is off. Alright. Testing. Okay, so now holding the button. The TV acting stupid actually. It's kind of funny right now. That's a freaking capture card when I was there. I like recording this up, but okay. There it goes. What else means on the thing that I do have? I don't have nothing on here, I don't think. Here we go, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify. Oh, you think you will play more? Yeah, I'm shit. But yeah, I have one here I can't use other than YouTube. I really that's it in the video, so I know. Oh, that video was hell. Because the fucking hard drive failed. The record group thing, and they took it. I released this over here of TechSavvvvy bunch of and my fucking hard drive failed afterwards. God, that pissed me off. Well, that was hell. That was irritating as hell. Run for it. Run before you run into the Nazis. I shouldn't have said that. There I go. Jeez. I love this scene. Ah, fuck you, Anthony. Fuck you. I didn't do that. I didn't do that on purpose. I don't know. I really want to kill this kid coming bad out of the way. Play that more. That's a fun game. But you son of a ow. That made it over. Go MP40. And that's what happened. It will soon though. Just not right now. We'll do it at the end of the video. I'll play another one. Yeah, shit. I can't play that way. I hooked it. Sorry, Lawrence. Not trying to be a douche. It's in Austria. What the fuck? Okay then. Oh, is that all the look up? I don't know. I don't really know. We'll flash this real quick though. I'll flash it good. I'm not sure more now. So how do I use? I really don't know because I have the Xbox to use. But I'm gonna set up for you guys on camera. And yeah. Well, listen to you guys. Take it easy.